In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a call in Microsoft Teams. Scheduling a call in Microsoft Teams can simplify your workday by managing your appointments and meetings efficiently, ensuring you never miss an important engagement. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Microsoft Teams. You can do this by simply searching for Microsoft Teams on Google, or you can directly go to teams.live.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to sign in. Click on Sign In, and you'll be prompted to enter your account details. If you're unsure what account to use, it should be the one associated with your work or school, as Microsoft Teams is often linked to organizational accounts. After successfully signing in, take a look at the navigation panel on the left side. You'll see several icons, but today we're focusing on the calendar function, which is your hub for all scheduled events. By clicking on the calendar icon, you'll find a detailed view of your agenda. This is where you can see all upcoming meetings and appointments. Next, find the specific meeting you'd like to schedule a call for. Maybe it's a team catch-up you have every week, or perhaps an important client meeting. When you've identified which meeting you want to share, click on it to open the meeting details. This brings up all the relevant information about the session, including participants, date and time, and any additional notes or links. Now, to share this meeting with others, you need to find and click on the copy link icon. This icon typically looks like two overlapping squares or a chain link, symbolizing the action of copying a hyperlink. By clicking this, you'll copy the meeting link to your clipboard, ready for you to paste it wherever you need, whether that's an email, a chat message, or a document. A tip to keep in mind: when you send this link to participants, it provides them direct access to join the meeting at the scheduled time, ensuring that everyone is on the same page with minimal confusion. This link serves as an invite and a straightforward way for others to connect without needing to navigate through their calendars. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to schedule a call in Microsoft Teams. Remember, the goal is to streamline your communication processes, making it as easy as possible for everyone involved. This not only saves you time, but also enhances collaboration across your team or organization. Microsoft Teams is a powerful tool for staying connected, and mastering these functions can significantly enhance your productivity. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel confident in scheduling your next meeting in Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides like this one.